morning, everyone. My name is Judge Christy Healis. You're here today for first appearance. The purpose of this hearing is to inform you of the charges against you and determine whether there is probable cause for your arrest. Probable cause just means that it's more likely than not that you committed the crime that you were arrested for. As you appear before me today, you're considered not guilty of what you've been charged with. That status will remain with you through each stage of these proceedings up until the state attorney's office proves the case against you beyond a reasonable doubt. You're either arrested on a warrant or a new charge. Either way, you were given a bond pursuant to the bond schedule for the 5th Judicial Circuit. I will determine this morning whether to keep that bond the same, increase it, decrease it, or if there are any other conditions of release that will be imposed upon you. You're entitled to have a lawyer represent you at each stage of these proceedings. If you cannot afford to hire one, I will appoint the public defender's office for you today. You're also entitled to make a phone call, let friends, family, or your lawyer know where you are. If you haven't had that phone call yet, please let me know. I'll make sure you get that phone call today. Finally, you have the right to remain silent. I encourage you to do so. These hearings are recorded. There's an assistant state attorney in this courtroom writing down everything that you say. So anything you say about the facts of your case can or will be held against you in the prosecution of your case down the road. At this time, I'd like everyone to raise your right hand so I can place you under oath. Solemnly swear or affirm the testimony before the court will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. Yes? Put your hands down. As I call your name, please come forward. Amanda Caldwell. Good morning. Can I confirm your date of birth, please?
6/13/1979.
All right. You were here today for a DUI. I found probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll appoint the public defender's office. I see this is their second DUI. Is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, I'm addressed for you on Main Street in Brooksville. Is that where you live?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you lived there?
6 years.
Okay. Do you have a job?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a cop.
Okay. All right, I'm going to set your bond at $500, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to see you back to court on January 29th at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shauna Adams.
Morning.
Morning. Can I confirm your date of birth?
January 31st, 92.
All right. What's her record like then?
She has a petty theft adjudication in 17, a resist adjudication in 13, a petty theft adjudication in 13, fraud, PTI in 2012, and then delinquency stuff.
All right. Ms. Adams, you're here today for failing to appear for a case in front of me, a no valid driver's license, back on December 10th. So we need to answer for those charges. And then you went out and got new charges. Let me finish. I didn't ask you anything. You got new charges of possession of marijuana and possession of drug paraphernalia. There's probable cause for your arrest on each of these. Do you want the public defender's office?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to appoint the public defender's office in each of these cases. If you want to resolve all of your cases today, but you can't do that because we have the... Which one of these is a felony?
The possession of marijuana.
Yes, I see. Okay. All right, we can't do that today. What's going to happen is I'm going to recommit you on the 2019 CT 3195 case. There's probable cause to believe that you committed another crime while you were free on the first charge of no valid driver's license. So I'm going to hold you without bond on the 2019 case. With regard to these new charges, you're entitled to a bond. I'm going to set those at $4,000 and $2,000. And we're going to see you back to court on the misdemeanor case on January 29th at 9 a.m. And the felony case is going to be at 1:30 in the afternoon on that same day, okay? Someone from the public defender's office will be out to talk to you soon. Robert Ivers. Can I confirm your date of birth?
8/22/91.
All right, you were here today for domestic battery and found probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office?
Yes.
All right, I'll see the public defender's office. State any prior history?
No, Your Honor, I'm not showing any criminal history.
Okay. I I have an address here on Roosevelt Ave in Town. Is that where you live?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you lived there?
About 4 years.
Okay. Do you have a job?
Yes.
What kind of work do you do?
Mechanic.
All right. I need to order until this case has concluded that you have no contact with Caitlin Davidson. Don't have any contact with her whatsoever. Do not call, do not write, do not email. Do not go within 500 feet of her residence, employment, school, or vehicle. And no text messaging, social media contact whatsoever. You see her out somewhere, you need to turn around and go the other way. Any way that you can imagine having contact with Caitlin, I forbid you from doing so until you've been told any differently. Do you understand any of that?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to hold you until 4 o'clock today in case she wants to file any civil paperwork against you. If you do get served that paperwork, you want to read it very carefully. It'll be very specific as to where you can and cannot go, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to set your bond at $500, and we're going to see you back to court on January 29th at 9 a.m. You want to make sure to reach out to your lawyer before you come to court that day, okay?
All right, thank you.
Thanks. John Mendez. Can I have your date of birth? Morning.
9/27/88.
All right, you're here today for a violation of probation. It's based on a warrant signed by Judge Merritt on December 16th. So there's probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office?
Yes.
I'll appoint the public defender's office, and he wants you held no bond until you appear back in front of him on January 21st at 1:15 in the afternoon, okay? See you back in court
Thank
then.
you.
Thank you. Robert Jordan. All right, Mr. Jordan, you have a retail theft and a criminal mischief here. It looks like you already have the transport order. All right, looks like it's already set for January 7th next week, January 7th at 9 a.m. in front of Judge Merritt. So the bond amount on that is going to stay the same, the $5,000 and $2,000. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll make sure that they're representing you on this case, and we'll see you back to court next week in front of Judge Merritt on the 7th, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Christopher Minton. Can I have your date of birth?
9/22/1990.
Okay, you're here today for, it looks like you have something going on in Pasco County. They have an FTA bond for you for $513 for, it looks like, driving on a suspended driver's license. So we
Yes, ma'am.
gotta keep that bond the same. If we need to, get you back over to Pasco County so you can get a court date and a lawyer when you get over there, okay?
Is there any way that I could either handle all of it today or ROR out of here because my wife's health's really
Okay,
bad.
both of those
I'm
are
losing
no.
my job sitting here.
Both of those are no. I don't have these jurisdictions to take a plea on your case today.
Right.
And in order, you either have to take care of the bond or get over to Pasco County and take care of the case. So Pasco County will
Okay.
probably come get you in the next couple days. You can take care of it when you get over there, okay?
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Good luck, sir. Michael Barr. Can I have your date of birth?
3/21/90.
All right. You are here today for a violation of probation. It's based on a warrant signed by Judge Merritt on December 20th. There's probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll appoint the public defender's office. We'll hold you no bond until you appear back in front of Judge Merritt on January 21st at 1:15, okay?
Okay,
Thank you, sir. Stephen O'Brien. Can I have your date of birth?
Yes, it's 3/29/78.
You are here today for a burglary of a dwelling with a firearm and a grand theft. Your total bonds are right now $30,000. I found probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll appoint the public defender's office. Are you in custody for other things right now?
Yes.
All right. All right, so it looks like this is from a few months ago. Are you in custody for other things that kind of happen at the same time?
From a few months ago.
Yeah, it looks like maybe October is the date of offense.
Which one? Which one? These ones right now?
Yes.
I guess. I don't know.
Okay. What are you in custody for now?
For defrauding a pawnbroker, dealing stolen property, and fleeing and eluding the police.
Gotcha, okay.
Oh, and grand theft.
Do you have bonds on all of those?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, we'll just go
Yeah,
ahead.
I've been in here since Friday, so.
All right, but you already had your first appearance on all of those other things, right?
Yes, ma'am. My court date was the 21st, I think. Was
Yeah.
set.
Okay, we have to make sure you have the same court date, okay? So we're going to keep the bond the same on this. We're going to set your court date for January 21st at 1:15 in the afternoon. That's when I believe your other ones have been set for, and someone from the public defender's office will be out to talk to you soon, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks. All right. Did I get everyone at the jail?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.